you'll be learning how to design a carousel using the Canva app. Now, after clicking on Canva, you would like to go to this plus icon. Come over to this part. Is 1080 by 1080. Click on create new design. So where you have the search templates, type in carousel. So depending on what you want to do, you would see different carousels. Okay, so here are different carousel design that you could pick, or let's pick this one. So click on it. So I want to apply all 7 pages. The only thing I need to do is to change the color of my background. So I'll click on the background, go to where I have color, and put in my brand color. So assuming my brand color is blue and white and I want to use blue, I can either come over here, scroll here to pick a color, blue, or I come over here to select color. So I'm just going to click on this arrow and click on this circle and give it a more darker shade of blue, which I'm okay with this one. So come over to where you have change all and click on change all. So you'll be changing all the backgrounds of these 7 files to blue. Click on the text itself, scroll down to where you have color, click on color, pick this arrow and pick the white color. So here's our white color here. So click on it and click on where you have change all, and all the text you see could be changed, and I think I'm okay with this. So assuming I want to teach something, this will be the beginning of my teaching. I would have taken my time to type in what I want to teach or what I want to talk about, and the pictures I need for these carousels would be ready. In case I don't have a picture, I can just click on this. Maybe the picture is not in my gallery. Click on this, go to where you have replace. Like come over to the image, go to where you have replace, click on replace. So if the image I want is here, I can just pick this. I can also come over here to select where the folder where the image is. Okay, so I'm leaving it at recent, but in case I don't have an image, but whatever I want to talk about, I can relate and get an image from photos. So click on photos and get the image. So assuming I want to talk about page management, here, so it can generate image that has to do with social media management. So I can pick as many images I want. So if I decide that, okay, since I'm talking about social media management, let me pick this first image. So on it, you'll be able to edit, but in case you don't see where you have edit, come over to this part. Once you click on it, you would see edit. So I can decide to make it 5 marketing tips for social media managers. I'm going to delete these entrepreneurs. Notice the text. If I want all of them to be in capital letter, I can come over, scroll to where I have format, click on format, and click on small letter A and capital letter A, and it will be in all cap locks. This is where I reduce the size, and this is where I extend the write up. Okay, over here, if I want to change it to any number, I can change it. I can come over here to write my TikTok account, which is, let's say, tutorials by Joy. Tutorials by Joy. Come over here, click on edit and write Instagram tutorials by Joy. Okay, so this is it. So 3 dots. Click on select multiple. Click on this image. Then click on group. Then come over to where you have copy and you copy. You swipe to this part, click on this, click on 3 dots, click on the second one, click on select multiple, then click on delete. This is the delete button here. Delete. Click on it, click on this 3 dots and click on paste. You do that till you complete. You do that till you complete all you have. You can just click on this, delete, click on this, delete, click on any of the image, click on the 3 dots, paste. And you do that till you are done. Now, assuming this last part, you still want to add more parts, you can come over to where you have the, remember that if you look at the pattern, the first one is like this, the second one is like this, the first one is like this, the second one is like this, first one is like this, second one is like this. So if you want to add another one, instead of duplicating the last one, you will duplicate this number 4. Once you click on duplicate, then you drag it down here, then click on this. So if you want more, you duplicate it with the same patterns, and edit it. Once you're done editing, changing the picture, changing the write-up, making sure that it is your TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook name. Once you are done with it, come over to this arrow here, click on this, click on download. If you are using the CapCut Canva Pro, leave it at PNG, increase this, it's all the page you want to download, then click on download. So I'll enhance this, click on this, then click on download. So this is how you create a carousel easily using your Canva app. Thank you.